To anatomy and disease. This is our first video. It goes over a little bit of our expectations for the course and some of the syllabus information as well. So what is anatomy? Anatomy is the branch of biology concerned with the study of the structure of organisms and their parts. Specifically, we'll be referring to humans in this course. Some of the things you'll learn in anatomy and disease. We'll use disease as a conceptual framework. That just means that we use that to kind of base our study off of. And we're going to learn the basic anatomy and physiology of humans. Some of the structures we'll study come from the following systems. We have the nervous, the integumentary or your skin, cardiovascular, respiratory, lymphatic, which is your immune system almost, and muscular, skeletal, urinary, digestive, and endocrine systems. So we'll get into what all those are here in the next couple of days. So what does a day look like in Miss White's class? When you come into class, there's usually a bell work question on the board. Some days we will do notes. A lot of days we'll do activities in labs. I generally prefer to be up and moving around, but I'll give you a general idea of what we're doing each day at the very beginning of each class. My expectations are based around the word respect. The first expectation is that you take responsibility. So that means take responsibility for your work and for your actions. E in respect stands for give your best effort. That means give 100% 100% of the time. S is ask questions. Make sure that you're constantly being inquisitive. That's what education and science especially are based around. So make sure you ask plenty of questions. Be prepared. Come to class ready to learn, both mentally, that means getting a good night's rest and being mentally prepared, but also having all the physical supplies you need. We'll work together to create a positive environment. We will think, do, and be positive. C is keep it clean. So keep your language clean and keep our space clean. This is our classroom, not my classroom. So let's work to keep everything nice and tidy so we can function to our maximum capacity. Be on time. That means turn your work in on time and be physically in space in this classroom on time. Some of my pet peeves and things that you'll learn that I don't tolerate very well are cheating or lying. Just tell me the truth no matter how bad it is, and I'll have a lot more respect for you. Eating in class, that is a big no-no. Especially gum. There will be days that we are working back in the lab, perhaps with formaldehyde and other preservatives, and those are toxic, so we can't eat in this class just because it's a science lab, but also gum really drives me crazy. Talking when others are talking, that it all goes back to respect, as well as sleeping in class. Those are both pointing back to respect. So just be respectful of me and respectful of others in class. What do you need to be successful? That does say biology. I do apologize, but you need to be positive. Ask for help if you need it. I do stay before and after, come before and stay after school if anyone needs help. So be willing to do those things. Review for 10 minutes every night and stay on top of the material. That reviewing for 10 minutes will help you stay on top of the material and make it easier when we get to big unit assessments. And do all of the assignments. Everything that I take up contributes to your grade. So doing everything will certainly make your grade much better. Supplies. You will need pens or pencils, notebook paper, a 3-ring binder, and a textbook. The other thing not listed in words there is a 3-pronged folder. So you will need a folder that looks just like this for your wanted poster project that I will cover in just a second in the next video.